My name is Veljko Petrović. I'm an engineer and a co-owner of startup company PRDC from Serbia. We're an aerospace company, and right now we are presenting our flagship product, ICA-20, on Dubai Expo 2020. We specialize in producing heavy payload multicopters, and this particular one can carry up to 20 kilos of payload for 30 minutes. The basic version comes without anything underneath, so we do payload and sensor integration upon customer request. This current configuration was a demo for firefighting. The mechanism contains 10 fire extinguishing balls that are automatically dropped on fire. It has a thermal camera underneath that automatically detects the fire and drops the ball. So the drone is completely made in Serbia. Our company is based near Belgrade, the capital of Serbia. The airframe is completely made out of carbon fiber. The mask is made out of glass fiber. So we started developing this aircraft some 6 months ago, and the main idea was to make an aircraft which can carry 20 kilos for 30 minutes and to make the user interface as simple as possible. So as you can see, it's only got one button. You can fly it manually using a tablet or a phone, and it's also capable of autonomous missions. So our company was founded 1 year ago, and this drone was first presented in Serbia in July this year. We are here part of Serbian delegation participating in Space Week here on Expo, and I think that's the perfect opportunity to show this aircraft to the world.